So, yo guys, my name is Josh,
So yun po ano? What's up sa inyo mga ba?
the founder of Uptick.
Wow.
You're so proud.
So, we're here now in Manila, and we're staying at Prime Hotel. And unfortunately, we arrived in a very bad situation. Our beloved President Duterte
We're not politicians.
That's right.
just announced that we will be quarantined
That you
What the fuck are you talking about?
here about a month or so. If we will be alive,
He dies.
I will be posting this video if we will survive this quarantine.
What the fuck?
About this convent.
coronavirus.
I will be posting.
We're gonna quarantine.
I will be posting this video.
What are we doing again? We're gonna do self-quarantine once we go back in Cebu. So, to my friends, family there, see you. Joke.
So I hope we will be alive.
Gago!
So shout out to my mom. I love you, mom.
12 seconds later.
So ito na po. Pauwi na kami. Apocalypse na po. Nandito kami sa Prime Hotel. Prime Hotel Manila. Prime Hotel Manila. And the day of the lockdown, man.
We're talking stupid.
We're doing that. Now we're doing.
Roger.
We're trying to be calm. We're trying to be keep our composure cool, but we're doomed. We're going to the airport now, and to all my families and friends out there, shout out.
That's it.
Okay. So nandito na po kami sa airport.
How are you alive right now?
One eternity later.
Ken, mata na Ken, matulad na.